Oh my god. Welcome. This is called Train 666. This is a scary fucking game and we're gonna fucking play it. Oh, hell no. So we're supposed to go on this train? Alright, I need to hit this blunt before I fucking pass out. Nothing going on. Why am I going fast? I know it is. Bro, I feel like something's gonna fucking jump out, bro. Oh my god, fuck. How far is this shit? What the hell am I doing? Oh, hell no. Oh my god. What do I do? Oh my god, I don't know what to fucking do. Oh, my blunt went out. I'm scared. Oh my god! That was crazy timing, bro. Fuck! Oh my god. I don't like playing this close to the fucking screen, bro. Sam. Oh shit. Oh! Oh my god. No! Oh, what the fuck is going on? Oh shit. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. I'm tweaking out, bro. Fuck. There ain't no way. Oh my god. What the fuck do I do? Do I just keep walking? Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh! Oh shit. Oh. This shit is fucking scary. What the fuck is this? God damn it, bro. What the fuck are we doing? They're doing this on purpose. Oh, hell no. Bruh. This is getting fucking... Something's gonna happen, bro. Go, 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 go! Go, go! Go! Oh my god. Oh hell. I don't even give a fuck no more. I'm walking right to it. Oh my god, there's no way. Oh shit! Whoa! What the fuck? I beat it! Yes! I did it! That game is fucking scary as shit, bro. Holy shit. That game is scary as hell. They did that on purpose, bro. God damn.